Hello, we're here at the John Brooks Tech Session today. We've got people from Medicom and we've got people from all over Southern Ontario learning about the fantastic pumps that we have to offer. We've got wonderful things here, vertical multi-stage pumps, progressive cavity pumps, all kinds. Everybody having a good time? So get some noise! Woo! John Brooks, we keep the world flowing.
Very delighted to be here. The lessons have been excellent. You guys have very good lecturers here, very knowledgeable people. Yeah, it's been good. A lot of takeaways that we could definitely use in our line of work.
I'm here first time. It's been a great experience. A lot of learnings, a lot of practical experience looking at stuff and then pumps around it. The presentation is pretty good, pretty knowledgeable. A lot of new concepts that we actually learned in school, but now revisiting it and then hopefully we can apply these while designing new pumps. So thumbs up. Thank you so much.